Let us come to the 69th question. What does the 69th question say? We have an AP. The first term is 22. So A is 22. Nth term is minus 11. So AN is minus 11. And sum of the first n terms is 66. So SN is 66. We have to find the number of terms, that is n ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು ಮತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Therefore, we have Sn, which is 66, is equal to n by 2 into A is 22 and last term is minus 11. So, we have 2 ikade bandre 66 into 2 is equal to n into 22 minus 11 is 11. 11 ones are 11 6 are. So, n is equal to 6 into 2 is 12. So, we have n as 12. 12 number of terms are there. Now, what is an? An is minus 11. That is 12th term is minus 11. So, what is the formula for an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 11. So, we have a as 22 plus n is 11 minus 1, d is minus 11. 22 if it goes that side, plus becomes minus. So, 11 minus 1 is 10. 10d is equal to minus 11 akade hodre it becomes minus 22. If it goes that side, it becomes minus 22. Minus 11 minus 22. So, 10d is equal to minus 33. Sorry, this is 12th term. 12th term means this becomes 12 minus 1d or 11d is equal to minus 33. So, d is equal to minus 33 by 11 is equal to minus 3. So, we got n as minus n as 12 and d as minus 3. Okay. Next, let's come to the 70th question. 70th question, what does it say? We have 5 integers are in arithmetic progression. The difference, so 5 terms are there, 5 integers are in AP. The difference obtained on subtracting the square of the first term. Okay, we have A1, so A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. 5 integers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The difference obtained on subtracting the square of the first term. So, what is the square of the first term? A square. The difference obtained on subtracting the square of the first term. Square of the first term ಅಂದರೆ a square ನ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ 5ನೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ 192 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. I repeat, the difference obtained on subtracting the square of the first term. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. 5ನೇ ಟರ್ಮಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂದ. ಸೊ, A5 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ A ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 192. ಹಾಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 16. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 16 ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ A2 plus A4 is equal to 16. Find the 5 terms of the progression. So, 5 term ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Let us assume the 5 terms to be, let the 5 terms be odd number of terms ಇದೆ. So, center one will take it as A. So, right side will be A plus D and A plus 2D, and left side will be A minus D and A minus 2D. So, these are the 5 terms. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು 4ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2ನೆಯ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು 4ನೆಯ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 16 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ A minus D plus fourth term is A plus D is 16. D cancel ಆದರೆ 2A is equal to 16. So, A is equal to 8. We got A as 8. ಅದನ್ನ ಸೈಡಿಗಿಡಿ. Now, let us take this. What is the fifth term here with us? Fifth term is A plus 2D. So, a plus 2d whole square minus first term is a minus 2d whole square is equal to how much? 192. So ಇದನ್ನು expand ಮಾಡೋಣ. This will be a square plus 4d square plus 4ad minus this will be a square plus 4d square minus 2 to the 4ad is equal to 192, or a square plus 4d square plus 4ad minus a square minus 4d square minus into minus is plus 4ad is equal to 192. A square cancel, 4d square cancel. So 4 plus 4, 8ad is equal to 192. But we know a is 8. So 8 into 8 into d is 192. So d is equal to 192 divided by 8 into 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. 8 fours are 32. 8 ones are 8 threes are 24. So d is equal to 3. Our question ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನು, find the 5 terms. So 5 terms ಯಾವುದು? First will be a minus 2d, ಅಂದರೆ 8 minus 2 into d. 2d will be 2 into 3, comma 8 minus 1d, 8 minus 3 and 8, comma 8 plus 3, comma 8 plus 2 to 3, or rather we get 8, 8 plus 3, 11, plus 3, 14, and other thara back bandre minus 3 is 2. So these are the 5 terms. Okay. Now let us come to the 71st question. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of first n terms is 210. Mathematically, they have given Sn as 210. And sum of the first n minus 1. So Sn minus 1 is equal to 171. First term of the progression is 3. So a is 3. Then find the progression. Also find a 20. Okay. We know that an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So last term is equal to sum of n terms up to the last term minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Okay. So we've got the last term as an is equal to Sn is 210 minus 171. So we get 210 minus 171 is 39. An is 39. Hege ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 210 minus 171? You take 210 minus 170. That becomes 40. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 minus ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 39. Okay. So An is 39. So last term we got as last term is equal to 39. ಮತ್ತು first term is equal to 3. We also know the formula for Sn to be Sn is equal to n minus 2 into a plus l, that is first term and last term. So Sn we have got as 210. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into first term is 3 plus last term is 39 is equal to 210 into 2 is equal to n into 39 plus 3 is 42. So we get n is equal to 210 into 2 by 42. 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are 21, 10s are. So we get n is equal to how much? 10. So n we got as 10. Now we need to find the AP. So A ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, but D ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. But last term Sn, we also have we know the last term An is 39, but we also know the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 13, therefore A ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ? A is 3 plus n is 39 minus 1, D ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, is equal to, sorry, n is not 31. Do you know n? Yeah, n is 10. n is 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 39. 39 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 minus 1 is 9D is equal to 36. Therefore D is equal to 36 by 9 is equal to 4. So we got A as 3 and D as 4. With this we get the AP to be, first term A is 3, next term will be 3 plus 4 is 7, next 7 plus 4 is 11, 15 and so on. So this is the answer. Let us come to the 72nd question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, sum of interior angles of a polygon of n side. Polygon ಅಂದರೆ it could be n number of sides. 4 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ quadrilateral ಅಂತಾರೆ, 5 ಇತ್ತು, a polygon with 5 sides is called as pentagon, a polygon with 6 sides is called as hexagon. So sum of n sides of an polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. Next ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, the interior angles of a pentagon are in AP. Important, they have said it is a pentagon. Pentagon means how many sides will be there? It will have 5 sides, and how many angles it will have? 5 angles. So here we know n is equal to 5, or rather yes, 5 we have is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 180. So 3 into 180 is 540. So the sum of the 5 sides of the pentagon we got as 580 degrees. Now they have given these angles. 5 pentagon andre 5 sides irutte, so 5 angles. So the angles will be A, A2, A3, A4 and A5. They have said that in arithmetic progression. Okay, and the smallest angle they have given as 72 degrees. Then find all the angles anta helidare. Okay, so here we know the first one, smallest angle, some first term A is 72. Yes, 5 we know to be 540. Okay, and we also know that we do not know the common difference. We know n to be 5. Okay, now we use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, last one, or better still we can use the other known formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have Sn to be 540 is equal to n by 2, n is 5 divided by 2 into 72 is a plus n is 5 minus 1 into d. 540 into 540 is equal to 5 by 2 into, I will take 2 common here, 2 into 72 plus this is 5 minus 1 is 4, 2 common tagada it becomes 2d. So 2 cancel, 5 I will take this side, 540 divided by 5 is equal to 72 plus 2d, or 5 1s are 108s are. So 72 plus 2d is equal to 108, and we get 2d is equal to 108 minus 72. 108 minus 72 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 108 minus 72, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 28 plus 8 is 36. 2d is 36, therefore d is 18 degrees. So common difference ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ a is equal to 72 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 72, 72 plus 18, 72 plus twice of 18, 72 plus thrice of 18, 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more, 72 plus 4 times of 18. This will be 72, 90, 108, then 126, then plus 18 will be 144. To mention the degrees here, and you have to write. See, I am solving all these questions very fast, but in the examination when you are writing, you have to write it stepwise and very neatly. It will take double the time, but I am just explaining it to you. You should not be as haphazard. You should write it one below the other, ಒಂದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕಂತ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಕಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ next question, that is the 73rd question. A person works in a shop from Monday to Saturday. His everyday earnings are in arithmetic progression. So he works from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now his earnings are in arithmetic progression. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿವಸ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 12 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ 14, 16, 18 ಹಾಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅರಿಥ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 525. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಟು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಹಿಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಟು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ, ಇವು 3 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸು ಈಸ್ rupees 525. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ Friday he gets 100 more. So this is Friday he gets 100 more than Monday's earning. Okay. This is in AP. So what we will do is, let us write the earnings. Monday let his earnings be A. Tuesday it will be A plus D. Wednesday it will be A plus 2D. Thursday it will be A plus 3D. Friday it will be A plus 4D. And Saturday it will be A plus 5D. Let his earnings be as it is. Now what does the first sentence say? First 3 days, that is A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to how much? 525 rupees is the first information. So we have 3A plus 3D is equal to 525. A plus D is 525 by 3. So A plus D is 525 by 3. 3 ones are 22, 3 sevens are 20, 3 5. So A plus D is equal to 175. This is my first equation. What is the other information we have got? Friday's earning. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday's earning, Friday he gets 100 rupees more than, so Friday's earning. So Friday earning is equal to Monday earning plus 100 rupees. That is, what is this Friday earning? A plus 4D is equal to Monday is A. Okay, plus 100. So A cancel ಆದರೆ we get 4D is equal to 100. Hence D is equal to 25. Now putting this value in this, we get A plus 25 is equal to 175. A is equal to minus 25 is equal to 150. So we get A is 150. So his earnings are, on Monday he gets A 150. The common difference is 25. So Tuesday is 175 with 200, 225 and 250. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, right. Now let us come to the 74th question. The angles of a quadrilateral means it will be 4 sides and 4 angles. Now these angles are in arithmetic progression. So angles na A, A2, A3, A4 idre, they are in arithmetic progression. If the sum of a pair of opposite, okay, let us take this quadrilateral. We have A, A2, A3, A4. Now he is saying that A and A3. Okay, instead we'll write this as normal standard form of AP. So first one will be A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Okay. Now what he is saying, a quadrilateral total will be if the sum of a pair of opposite angles is 130. That means A and A plus 2D ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ A plus 2D is 130 degree, or 2A plus 2D is 130. A plus D is equal to 65. This is one equation we have got. What is the other equation? We know sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. This is your geometry knowledge. Okay, so we get sum of all angles will be A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus 3D is equal to 360 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4A plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6D is equal to 360. I'll take 2 common. So 2a plus 3d is equal to 180. This is your another equation. I'll put this here. 2a plus 3d is 180. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what we will do? We will multiply 1 by 2. We get 2a plus 2d is equal to 130. Now subtract this. 2a cancels. 3d minus 2d is equal to 50. That is 180 minus 130. So d is equal to 50 degrees. Once we get d is equal to 50, put this in 1. Put this in 1. We get a plus d is equal to 65, or a is equal to 65 minus 50 is equal to 15. So a 15 abitre. Angles are, first angle is 15, common difference is 50. So 50 plus 15, 50 plus 50 into 2, 15 plus 3 into 50. So we get 15, 65, 115, 165. These are the angles of the quadrilateral degrees. Okay, let's come to the 75th question. What does the 75th question say? An AP consists of 16 terms. So we have an arithmetic progression. We get n is equal to 16. Sum of all its term is 768. Sn is equal to 768. The last term of the progression is 93. So last term an is 93. Find the AP. Also show that also is there. So we will split this question. Let's first finish this much. We have to find the AP. AP find ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. What is formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. We have n as 16. So S16 on 768 is equal to 16 by 2 into, we do not know a. Okay, sorry, we do not know a here, we do not know d here. So let us not use this formula. Let us first find the first term. We will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. That is 768 is equal to n is 16 by 2 into a plus last term is 93. 2 ones are 2 8s are. So 768 divided by 8. 8 I will bring it this side is equal to a plus 93. 8 9s are 72, 48. 8 2s are 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 96 is equal to a plus 93. So a is equal to 3. So we got a as 3. So once we get a as 3, what do we do? Next let us find the common difference. How do we find the common difference? an is equal to 93. That is n is 16. a 16, last digit is 93. So a plus 16 minus 1d is equal to 93. A is 3 plus 15d is equal to a plus 15d is equal to 93. 15d is equal to 93 minus 3 is equal to 90. D is equal to 90 by 15 is equal to 6. So we got D as 6. So what is the AP? First term is 6. So AP is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then if you add 6 to 9, it will be 15. And then if you add, it will be so on up to 93. Okay, so we have solved the first portion. Now let us come to the second part. What does the second part say? Also show that the sum of all the terms of this progression, that is the sum of all the terms of this, we know already this one, this 768 is already ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 768 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಲೇ, ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 768 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 times 3 into sum of first 16 odd natural numbers is 3 times sum of 16 odd natural numbers. We have to show this now. So let us find this sum of 16 odd natural numbers. So sum of 16 odd You have to show this, to show. First let us find sum of 16 odd natural numbers. First 16 odd natural numbers. So what is the first odd number? Okay, what is the first odd natural number? So 1, next will be 3, 5, 7, so on. Okay, so here we have, this is an AP with A equals to 1, common difference will be 2 and n is 16. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 d. 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n is 16 minus 1 into d is 2. So 8 into 2 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 2s are 30. So this is equal to 38 into 32. So this is equal to 8 to 16, 6, 1 carry, 8 3s are 24, 256. So this part is 256. Okay, na? So what is the relation between 768 and 256? Let us see. Now 256 into 3 is equal to 768. Hence proved. Now let us come to the 76th question. In an arithmetic progression, 7th term is 5 times its second term. Let us write this off. What does it say? 7th term A7 is 5 times its second term, 5 into A2, and 5th term is 1 less than twice the third term. We have done similar questions. We will write this mathematically. 5th term andre A5 is 1 less than twice the third term. ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಪಟ್ಟು ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಿಂತ 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಅಂದರೆ twice of A3ಗಿಂತ 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ is A5. Okay, so we got A7 is 5A2 and A5 is twice of A3 minus 1. So we know the formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. First we have to write the arithmetic progression. ಅದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ A ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು D ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಲಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕೋಣ. A7 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A plus 7 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 6D ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to 5 into what is A2? A2 is A plus D. n minus 1, 2 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 1, so 1D. So I get A plus 6D is equal to 5A plus 5D. 5A ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 4A ಪ್ಲಸ್ 60, 5D ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 60 minus 5D is minus D is equal to 0, or we have 4A minus D is equal to 0. This is one equation we have got. Another equation, ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? A5 ಅಂದರೆ A plus 4D is equal to twice of A plus 2D minus 1, or A plus 4D is equal to 2A plus 4D minus 1. 4D cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2A ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus A is equal to minus A. So A is equal to 1. We got A as 1. So if you put this here, we get therefore 4 minus D is equal to 0. D is equal to 4. And AP will therefore be, first term is A 1, second term will be 1 plus 4 is 5, then next 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, and so on. What they have asked also, AP bardvi now, so this is the AP. Second portion what they have asked, find the 15th term of this book. So A15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 into D is equal to A is 1 plus 14 into D is 4. 14 4s are, what is 14 4s are? 56. 1 plus 56 is equal to 57. So 15th term we got it as 57. So that marks the end of 76th question. Next, 77th question. Let us come to 77th question. What does he say here? The ratio of 11th and 8th terms of an AP is 3:2. Find the ratio of sum of first 5 terms to the sum of first 21 terms. Okay. Split ಮಾಡೋಣ. Ratio of 11th and 8th term ಅಂದರೆ S11 by S8 is equal to 3/2. Now what they have asked, find the ratio of sum of first 5 terms S5 to S21 is equal to what they have asked. Okay. So ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಇಂಟು ಎಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಬೈ ಟು ಇಂಟು 2a ಪ್ಲಸ್ n minus 1 into d. So we'll use this here. So S11 becomes what? S11 will be 11 by 2 into 2a, we don't know what is a, plus 11 minus 1 d divided by what is S8? 8 by 2 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 d. This is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now I'll cancel this 11 and this 11. So we've got 11 2a plus 11 minus 1 is how much? 10d divided by 8 into 2a plus 7d is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So how can we do this? We'll try to simplify. 2 1s are 2, 4s are. So we get 22a plus 110d divided by 8a plus 7 4s are 28d is equal to 3. So 22a, now I'll take this side, plus 110d is equal to 8 3s are 24a plus 28 into 3. 8 to 8 is 24, 4 to carry, 3 to 6, 7, 8, 84d. So if it goes, that's if this comes this side, what will happen? 22a minus 24a. Minus 2a plus 110 minus 84, 26d is equal to 0, or 2 if I take common, minus is equal to 0, or we get a minus 13d is 0. Okay, have we done correctly? Let me do this again. 2 and 2 is gone, 3 by 2. Okay, right? So I get 11 2s are 22, 110d is equal to 4 2s are 8, 7 4s are 28, 28 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 28 into 3 is, it's to carry 84. Okay, so minus 2a, 110 minus 84, 6 and 2, 26. Okay, so a minus 13d is 0 we have got. This is the only one equation we get. Now what we have to find? S5 divided by S21. So we need to find S5 divided by S21. Now what is S5 divided by S21? Okay, S5 will be 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1d divided by S21 will be 21 by 2 into 2a plus 21 minus 1d. This equals to 2 2 cancels, 5 2s are 10a plus, or I'll keep it as it is, 5 into 2a plus 4d divided by 21 into 2a plus 20d. I will take 2 common. 5 into 2 into a plus 2d divided by 21 into 2 into a plus 10d. 2 cancels. We get 5 into a plus 2d divided by 21 into a plus 10d. So, but we know a minus 13d is 0. So, a is equal to 13d. So, let us put this here. This becomes 5 into 13d plus 2d divided by 21 into 13d plus 10d is equal to 5 into 13 plus 2, 15d divided by 21 into 23d. D and D gets cancelled. Now anything common we can take. Okay, 3 5s are 3 7s are. So we get 5 5s are 25 divided by 23 into 7. 7 3s are 1 to carry 15 16 161. So the ratio of S5 to S21 is 25 is to 161. Okay, let us come to the next question, which is 78th. What does 78th question say? 78th question, it says the 7th term of an AP is 4 times. 7th term of an AP is 4 times its second term. We'll write it off. So A7 is 4 times its second term. So A7 is 4A2. And 12th term is 2 more than thrice its 4th term. It's just English. ಕಾಮಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 12th term ಅಂದರೆ A12 is 2 more, 2 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. So 2 plus than thrice its 4th term ಅಂದರೆ thrice its A4. Find the progression. Okay. So we'll just apply the formula. A sub we know now. Now we are very confident if you have solved up to here that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1d. So directly I can write it off. So from this we get A7 means A plus 6d is equal to 4 times A2 means A plus d. So A plus 6d is equal to 4A plus 4d. If it comes this side, minus 3A 60 plus 2d is equal to 0. This is one equation we get. From this we get A plus 11d is equal to 2 plus 3 into A plus 3d is equal to A plus 11d is 2 plus 3A plus 9d. If it comes this side, it becomes minus 2A plus 2d is equal to 2. So minus A plus d is equal to 1. Okay. So we have two equations, minus, or I will make this, I'll keep this as it is so that it will get cut here. I will bring this here. Minus 2A plus 2d is equal to 2. If you subtract, we get this becomes plus minus minus. So minus A is equal to minus 2. So we get A is equal to 2. Now substituting this in any one equation, we'll put in this only. We get minus 4 plus 2d is equal to 2. If this goes this side, we get 2d is equal to 6, d is equal to 3. We got A and D. Find the progression. So the progression AP is first term 2, second term 2 plus 3 5, then 5 plus 3 8, then 8 plus 3 is 11, and so on. Next, we finished now 78th question. Okay, now we come to 79th question. 79th question. Let me take this. It says, okay, let us take this out. What does the 79th question say? The pth term of an AP is Q. ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. pth term, what is pth term? So AP is equal to Q and qth term is P. So AQ is P. Okay. Now prove that rth term is P plus Q plus R. That is AR is equal to prove, we have to prove that AR is equal to P plus Q plus P plus Q minus R. Okay. Now what is AR? Now AR is equal to A plus R minus 1D. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಎ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯೂ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ? ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 1D is equal to Q. Also we have A of Q is equal to P. ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? A plus Q minus 1D is equal to P. Okay. Now I will bring this here. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we get A plus Q minus 1D is equal to P. Subtract ಮಾಡೋಣ. So we get A cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A and A cancel ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ what we get? P minus 1 into D minus Q minus 1 into D is equal to Q minus P. So we get D ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ we get P minus 1 minus Q minus 1 is equal to Q minus P. So D into P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 is equal to Q minus P. So minus 1 plus 1, D into P minus Q is equal to Q minus P. Therefore D is equal to Q minus P divided by P minus Q, which is equal to minus 1. So we got D is equal to minus 1 and we'll substitute this in equation 1. Put in equation 1. By putting in equation 1, what we get? A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to Q, or A plus P minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to Q. So A minus P plus 1 is equal to Q. So A is equal to Q plus P minus 1. A siktu, D siktu. Now what is rth term? What they have asked? Rth term. So AR is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D. So what is A? Q plus P minus 1 plus R minus 1 into D is minus 1. So we get Q plus P minus 1 minus R, minus into minus in plus 1. Cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So AR is equal to Q plus P minus R. Hence proved. Okay. Now let us come to the next question. What is the next question number? We have got 80th question. Okay, let me take this out to the next page. th question. What does the 80th question say? There are 5 terms in an AP. So we know n is equal to 5. The sum of these terms is 55 and Sn is 55, and fourth term is 5 more than, okay, fourth term is 5 more than the sum of the first 2 terms. Okay, so what he is saying is fourth term, that is A4, okay, is 5 more than sum of first 2 terms, that is A plus A2, A1 plus A2. Find the terms of the arithmetic progression. Okay, 5 terms are there. Okay, now let us expand this. Okay, what is A4? A4 is nothing but A plus 3D is equal to 5 plus A plus D. or a plus 3d is equal to 5 plus 2a plus d. We'll bring this side, minus a, alright, minus a plus 3d plus 2d is equal to 5. This is one equation we have got from this. Okay, now with this what we can find, let us see. What is a formula of Sn? Sn is nothing but n by 2, that is 55 is equal to n by 2 into a plus n is 5. That 5 minus 1 is, 2a. I am using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d, or 5 by 2 55 into 2a plus 4d. 5 ones are 5 11s are 2 if it goes, so 11 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2a plus 2d. 2 cancels, so 11 is equal to a plus 2d. This is the another formula we got. A plus 2d is equal to 11. Let us add these two. By adding we get a cancel, 4d is equal to 16, d is equal to 4. Put in one equation, 2 I will put, so we get a plus 2 into 4 is equal to 11. So a is equal to 3. We got a as 3 and 4. So find the term. So once we get a and d, we can find the term. So a is 3 means, so next term will be 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 4 is 15. Let us find if it is true. The fourth term, what is the fourth term? Fourth term 15 is 5 more than the sum of first two. So it matches. Okay. So the answer is correct. Next, let us come to the 81st question. I will cut it out. 81st question. Copy, add page, paste. Okay. Okay. What does it say? In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Let us write it off. What does it say? Sixth term. So S6 is one more than twice its third term. Okay, this is one equation. Another one, the sum of fourth and fifth term. Okay, S4 plus S5 is 5 times its second term is A2. Find the 10th term. Okay, now we have to find the 10th term. These two equations they have given. Sixth term, okay, sorry, not the sum. I stand corrected. It says sixth term means A6. The sixth term is one more than twice the third term. And the sum of the fourth and fifth terms. Sum of fourth and fifth term, that is A4 plus A5 is 5 times the second term. See, if you don't calmly read the question, you tend to make mistakes. So ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಇರೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೀಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇಟ್. In an arithmetic progression, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. Okay, sixth term is one more than twice the third term. The sum of the fourth and fifth term, andre A4 plus A5 is 5 times the second term. Okay, we will simplify this. What is A6? A6 is A plus 5D is equal to 1 plus twice of A3 is A plus 2D. So A plus 5D is equal to 1 plus 2A plus 4D. So minus A plus D is equal to 1. So we get this 1. So similarly A4 is a plus 3d plus a plus 4d is equal to 5 times a plus d, okay, or 2a plus 7d is equal to 5a plus 5d, minus 3a plus 2d is equal to 0. So minus 3a plus 2d is equal to 0. I'll multiply this by 2. It becomes minus 2a plus 2d is equal to 2. If I subtract, I will get a is equal to 2 if you solve this, okay. And once we get a is equal to 2, we'll substitute in equation 1, we get minus 2 plus d is equal to 1. So d is equal to 3. What they have asked? Find the 10th term. Okay, now they have asked 10th term of the AP. A10 is equal to a plus 9d is equal to a is 2 plus 9 into 3 is 29. So 10th term is 29. So that's the 81st question. Let's come to the 82nd question now. I will add a page here. 82nd question. Where is it? Where is the question? Okay. 82nd question. I will take it out. I think this is an easy question. We can do it here itself. 82nd question. See, the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms Sn is 5n minus n square. Okay, write the progression, find the 21st term and also find the sum of first 21 terms. Okay, simple. So if the AP has only one term, then S1 will be 5 into n minus n square is 1 square is equal to 5. S1 will be 5 minus 1 is 4. Similarly, sum of first two terms is 5 into 2 minus 2 square is equal to 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. S3 is 5 into 3 minus 3 square is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 9 is 15 minus 9 is 6. So the first term is, see, S1 will be same as A1. Actually, ಒಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮಿನ ಸಮ್ಮು ಅದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now what is S2? S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. So but we have S2 is 6 is equal to A1 is 4 plus 6. Okay, 4 plus A2. So A2 will be 6 minus 4 is 2. Alright. So similarly, what is S3? S3 is S2 plus A2. So we have S3 as 6 is equal to 6 plus A2. So A2 is 0. So we get the AP to be 4, 2, 0 and so on. So the first term A is equal to 4. First term A1 is equal to 4 and common difference D is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So the AP will be 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4 and so on. Find the 21st term. What is 21st term? A21 is equal to A plus 20D is equal to A is 4 plus 20 into minus 2 is equal to 36. So A21 will be 36. And what there was? Sum of first 21 terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. We know the first term is 4. So this is equal to 21 by 2 into 4 plus 36 is 40. This will be 2 ones are 2, 20 is 420. So S21 is 420. Okay, this is minus 20 into 2 is minus 40. A21 is minus 36. So we've got for 82 is over. Next question. Next question is 83rd question. What is 83rd question? Okay, I will take this outside. 83rd question. Okay, this is a nice English. Okay, the common difference of two arithmetic progression is same. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು arithmetic progression ಇದೆ, ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಿದೆ. That I can say it as A, A2, A3, A4, A5. This is AP1. One more AP is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. This is another AP. Okay. Now, in both the cases, the common difference is D. Alright. So, I can write these two as A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D and so on. And this will be B comma B plus D comma B plus 2D comma B plus 3D comma so on. Alright. Don't know what this is saying. The first term of the first progression, andre this is the first progression, is 3 more than first term of the second position. Andre the first term of first progression is what? A is equal to 3 more than the first term of the second progression. Second progression yavadu? B. So we get A is nothing but 3 plus B. Okay. So now what I can do is I can rewrite this AP as, so we can rewrite the APs as, now instead of A I will write as 3B. 3 plus B comma 3 plus B plus D comma 3 plus B plus 2D comma so on as the first AP, and second AP will be B comma B plus D comma B plus 2D comma so on. This is the second AP. Okay. What does he next say? The 7th term of the first progression is 28. So what is the 7th term? 7th term of first progression is what? 7th term of first progression is 28. Alright. Okay, what is the 7th term of first progression? That means A plus 6D is 28. But what is A? A is 3 plus B plus 6D is 28. So B plus 6D is 25. This is one equation we have got. What does it further say? And the 8th term of second progression is 29. 8th term of second progression is what? 8th term of second progression is 29. Second progression 8th term yavadu? B plus 7D is 29. So we got this another equation. So if we do 1 minus 2, what we get? If we do 1 minus 2, what we get? B cancel agutte. We get D is equal to 4. So the common difference gotaita namige D is equal to 4 anta siktu. Now we substitute this in, putting this one we get B is what? B plus 6 into 4 is 25. B is equal to 6 4 is 24, 1. So B siktu. Adhe tara what is A? A is equal to 3 plus B is equal to 4. In kelidare find the progressions. So first progression will be A is 4 comma 4 plus D. D is 4. So 8 plus 4, 12, 16, 20 and so on. And second progression will be, let us write some more terms here, 24, 28, 32. Second progression will be 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. Okay, just check the 8th term of second progression, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8th term is 29, and 7th term of first progression, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 28. Both are matching. Okay, so this is the answer. Cross verify also madaitu. Okay, now let us come to the last question, that is 83rd question is over. Now 84th question. I will take this outside. Okay, we have got 84th question. An AP contains 30 terms. So n is equal to 30. 17th term of the progression. 17th term of the progression is 4 more than thrice its 5th term. Okay, this is one equation. The 10th term of the progression is 31. So A10 is 31. Find the last 3 terms and also find the progression. Progression find madidre last 3 terms find madbodu. So we have got, let us expand it. Okay, from A17 we get A plus 16D is equal to 4 plus thrice of A plus 4D. So A plus 16D is equal to 4 plus 3A plus 12D. If this comes this side, it becomes minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 4. Minus A plus 2D is equal to 2. This is 1. Similarly, from A10, A10 is given as 31. So we get A plus 9D is equal to 31. This is equation 2. So we get A plus 9D is equal to 31. This is first equation. This is second equation. Once we solve both the equations we get, we'll add these two. By adding these two we get 11D is equal to 33. D is equal to 3. So once we've got D is equal to 3, we put this here, substitute in equation 2. We get A plus 9 into 3 is equal to 31. 9 3s are 27. 27 akade hodre minus agate. 31 minus 27 is 31 minus 27. So A is equal to 4. So we got the AP will be, AP is 4 comma 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, 13, 16 and so on. Okay. Now what one is, we've got the arithmetic progression. What is there was, find the last 3 terms. Okay, n is 30. So let us find the last term. Last term an is equal to a30 is equal to a plus 29d is equal to 4 plus 29 into 3 is equal to 4 plus 29 into 3 is 87. 87 plus 4 would be 91. So the last term is 91. last 3 terms will be 91. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 91 ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3. 91 minus 3, and next one will be 91 minus 3 into 2, or 91 comma 88 comma 85. These are the last 3 terms. Okay, so that comes to the end of all the questions. Thank you.